Hi everybody, I'm JT. Welcome to the NEC in Birmingham and the motorhome and caravan show, and another quick walk round of one of the vans that we saw and particularly liked here. So enjoy the walk around. Any questions, just drop me a note in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer, but thanks very much for watching. So this is the Hymer 600 Campus, again one of their special edition vans, so 6 meters long, a pop top up the top which gives you 2 extra spaces, which is great for us. We'll just have a look in the back. How does that feel? Same?
Yes.
So is it noticeably, where's the extra space?
Back there.
It's bigger back here. So 6 meters long, you get extra space, it looks like in the sleeping area, but mattress support that folds down, nice storage up here. Just pop that down. And storage cupboards, plenty of lashing points too. So still plenty of storage underneath for all our stuff. There's room for the dog as well to go down with her crate. Heating outlets, upright fridge.
It's big. There you go, there's the fridge. With a freezer top at the bit at the top.
Double burner.
And the same.
I do like the facility for having the pop top on these vans, because it does mean that there's room for obviously Harry to sleep somewhere separately. Also you can use it just as a chill out space if it's parked somewhere for the day, so it just gives you another living area. I'm really pleasantly surprised by this seat. Nice big table too. I think these vans have just had quite a significant model year update as well from Fiat. I'll just check the specs that everything comes as standard. We would want an automatic gearbox. So we hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember, if you have, please click the button to like and subscribe to follow our adventures here on Campervan Journey, and we look forward to catching you on our next video very, very soon.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.